I got a pair of these Air Jordan 11 Concord 2018 release date. And for today's video, we're gonna do a lot of cleaning, icing, cleaning up the patent leather. The mesh needs to be re-washed. We're gonna wash the whole entire shoe at that. So let's get it. After taking the shoelaces out, you want to grab a razor to pluck any rocks, any chips from the pavement. Take that bottle of this dab sauce. This helps ice the bottoms. Apply away. You want to ice for 24 hours on each session. Do that and let's check the results. So far they came out pretty good. We're gonna head off to the washer. But before you start there, you wanna make sure the water's on cold, delicate. Let the water fill first while you mix it in with a little splash of bleach, any type of detergent. I use OxiClean. I also use OxiClean Stain Remover, which is a liquid in a bottle. You spray it on the uppers on the mesh, use a brush, let it set for 10-20 minutes. It helps get all the stains and dirt out. And let's check the results. We got a problem. I had a boo-boo in this washer with these Concords and it came out. I'm sick, man. The back of the uphill ripped, the leather peeled back like a banana. I'm dead. But after thinking it through, I got a solution. We just gonna trust this process by just painting over this. I don't know. We just gonna see how it goes. This happened before on a video that I did on some Retro 10 Orlandos. You can check back on that on my page to check out that video to see how I brought back some beaters. But I'm gonna let the rest speed off. And yeah, it's the best I can get it. I mean, it took me about 30 coats. It took me about 5 hours. And I did the best I could to get it to blend in with the shoe itself. But to avoid these type of situations, man, you just want to wrap the shoe up. You know, keep an eye out when you got it in the washer. Check on it, you know, so you won't end up having a pair of these Concords like these that I destroyed, basically. But I'm glad I don't have too much money into them. I got them for about 30 bucks. But anyways, as you can see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just keep painting some more. And then I'm gonna top it off with this acrylic finisher to seal any paints on this damaged area. So it won't just chip off. It won't just, you know, if rain hit it, it won't just wash off. So yeah, I'm gonna let the rest speed off again. And I'm gonna throw like a before and after photos towards the end of the video. And if you made it this far, hit that like. And if you wanna see more tutorials, go on my YouTube right now and check them out. I got a bunch of other videos of me doing sneaker meetups and buying raffle tickets in the mall and whatnot and going, you know, making deals. So check that out. Right here, we're gonna be doing this type of method of taking a rag with an iron to knock out the creases. So let's try it out. Pay attention to see the results. If you made it this far, you're a real one. Hit that like. Go to my YouTube page to, check out all my how-tos and my little sneaker meetup videos. But this is the finished product of these Concord 2018 versions. We came a long way from me cleaning, icing, then I damaged and I refixed the shoe itself, and I'm content. So yeah, TopDownKickz with a Z. Check it out. Catch me in the next video. Hey, don't forget to watch my little slideshow of the before and after pictures. Other than that, catch you guys in the next one.